Blah 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 blah. Okay, our potatoes we got today. Gonna give them a rinse. Yeah, actually, and that one. Yeah, they don't look right peaks. Yeah, I'll pop these ones. I didn't realise they've got growth on them, so they can go out and be planted in that second drum that we were working on. But that's okay. It's fine. Plenty more out there. Don't really need any more anyway tonight. So what I'm going to do, I thought I'll show you quickly. I'm just going to make scalloped potatoes. I'm not going to bother peeling them. I might just take some bits and pieces off of it, like there's a hole in that one, so something's been eating it. So to have a little look. Ah, yes. So we can just cut that out. Nothing wrong with that. So I'm just going to slice them. Probably about that thick. Whatever that is. 3 centimeters, no, millimeters, something like that. Because with scalloped potato, you got to cook it sort of low and slow, because I don't know why the potato takes so damn long to cook. Obviously, the thinner you cut it, the better. You want it to cook quick. It's so juicy. I can't believe the moisture in these potatoes. Well, I can. The difference between shop bought ones and these, there's no comparison. Goodness knows how long potatoes are sitting before we actually get to buy them and bring them home. I know some of them, especially being up here in the country, you're probably a little bit luckier. Don't know what it'd be like down in the cities. Don't know what it'd be like overseas. I like to, if I can, there's a town not that far from here. Probably 50 minutes maybe. Not that far. It's a nice drive. It's called Dalesford. If you ever... Well, a lot of Australian people know what that is. Dalesford's known for its mineral springs. Beautiful town. But on the way there's a farm that sells potatoes on the side of the road. I always make sure I stop there and get a bag if I'm going over to the market. It's been a little while since I've been, just because of the weather and obviously COVID. Yeah, so one weekend at the market, I'll go over, I'll take Tico with me, and yeah, it's got amazing food. They got these stalls that sell homemade food ready to eat, instead of buying your hot dogs and chips and all that sort of rubbish. This stuff, oh man, the food is to die for. One day I drove all the way over there just to get a particular food. I can't remember what it was. I think, oh, it was a coleslaw, homemade coleslaw. What else did she? She had noodles, vermicelli noodles, and all this other salady stuff on top. Man, oh, it was beautiful. It was so yummy. Because I like to eat healthy, but I like meat too. In fact, with their homegrown potatoes, tonight I am having my own homegrown lamb. How's that for a rack of lamb? Trim a little bit of the fat off, but that's going in the oven soon. So it's the last of my lamb for the year, unfortunately. But oh, there's nothing beats homegrown food. Look at that. So what I'll do now is don't let Tico see. For some reason he likes potato, but potato is not a very good thing to let your parrot have. So we hide that up there from him. So now, everything doesn't fall out of the cupboard on me, I'll just get some milk, some garlic. I'm just going to keep things simple. I'm going to put some milk, some garlic, some dried onion, a bit of black pepper, bit of, what are we going to use? A bit of paprika, a bit of salt, just chuck it in. Garlic, I don't know, whatever you like. It's just half a spoon. Maybe about little spoon of dried garlic. What else can I put in it? Can't think. Some pepper. Ground black pepper. I'm not putting heaps in, this grinder's not working very good. It's a bit old. Okay. Can't have too much milk for this. Well, you can if it overflows. Uh-oh. Chico's realised I'm cooking something. He's a bit slow. What, little buddy? Some butter. Chunks of butter. Don't let Tico see the butter. He goes mad over butter. For some reason, eclectus parrots go crazy over butter and stuff basically they're not supposed to eat. Yes? How can I help you, young man? Dollops of butter on top. Don't you touch. No, touchy, touchy. No, no. Bit of cheese. And in the oven. We're on about 170. Excuse me, I don't think so. See, cheese, butter, stuff they're not supposed to eat. I'll put that on about 170. Is that Fahrenheit or Celsius? Probably Celsius. I've never thought about that. 170 anyway, and I'm just gonna let it slow cook. And no, they're not for you, Mr. Potato Head. And yeah, I'll take it out and show you later when it's finished. Probably an hour and a half minimum, if not more. Check it out, girls and boys. Oh, look at that. That looks so good.